Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, your founder of Online Study for You. There is a big news which is coming here from Accenture currently. Accenture has again started sending the virtual assessment slot mail. That means phase 3 assessment is started. I can understand for phase 1 and phase 2 result is pending and the other processes is pending, but that always happen in this way only. So right now phase 3 assessment has started, so please don't worry about it. So if you're waiting for the result, if you're waiting for the other processes, that also will happen soon. When it will happen, that nobody can tell you. So in the comment section, please don't tell sir I'm waiting for this, I'm waiting for that. That is how this IT hirings happens. Okay, now so friends, here you see Accenture choose your virtual assessment slot. So we are in the process of scheduling your virtual assessment as part of our associate software engineer hiring. Please click here for the available slot and choose one as per your availability. Please choose your slot by 10th of February 6 p.m. Select your slot carefully as you will not have an option to change it later. If you are facing, okay, so friends, by 10th of February, right? So by 10th of February, you have to choose the slot from here. So yeah, which you can see. So you have only 1 days, basically 1 or 2 days. And friends, please check your spam folder, please check your promotional email, please check your junk email. Okay, so check each and everything, because many of you are not able to check the all the mails, and sometimes these mails are coming in this spam, promotional or junk or whatever is there in your email, each and everything. Okay, so please note that unless a formal employment offer is provided to a candidate specifically determining the terms of employment with Accenture, nothing contained in this email or any identifying process. Anyway, now friends, one thing which I wanted to tell you, right? So Accenture crash course, so live interactive session, so verbal ability, coding, cloud and network, pseudo code, technical MCQs, programming, Python, Java, C++, game based aptitude, MS application. In game based aptitude, there are a lot of things are there, like mage games, door games, okay, and then mathematical equation. So already we have covered here, right? So behavioral assessment, right? So Accenture cognitive assessment, if you'll go inside this, so already cognitive assessment, even in the live classes also we have covered, right? So already we have done each and everything. So game based aptitude, that is nothing but inside this cognitive assessment, technical assessment, coding assessment, previous year question and solution, live class recording, Accenture mock test, English communication, live class recording, okay, and pseudo code. So all those things we have already provided it here, friends. So get this Accenture crash course and make sure that this time you get into Accenture at any cost. Accenture is a very good company if the process happens smoothly. Okay, so please check your emails one by one. For the phase 3 students will be getting the emails. Thank you, take care, all the very best. We'll meet soon in the next video. Till then, please take care of yourself.